ProofHub is a comprehensive project management and collaboration tool designed to streamline workflows and enhance team productivity. Here's how to use it effectively. Set up a project. After signing in, create a new project by clicking Add Project. Give it a name, assign team members, and set deadlines. Organize with task lists. Break your project into manageable parts by creating task lists. Use Kanban boards or Gantt charts to visualize workflows and set task dependencies. Assign tasks. Within task lists, add individual tasks, provide detailed descriptions, and assign them to team members. Add deadlines and prioritize tasks to keep the team aligned. Collaborate. Use the discussion feature to communicate with the team. Share ideas, upload files, or provide feedback directly within the project space. Track progress. Monitor project timelines using Gantt charts. Use time tracking tools to log hours spent on tasks, ensuring accountability. Centralize files. Store and share documents in the File section, keeping all project assets easily accessible. Custom reports. Generate custom reports to evaluate performance and project status. Stay updated. Use notifications to keep track of updates and deadlines, ensuring nothing slips through the cracks.